Welcome to SBP DAV Centenary Public School, the number one school in the district, Fatehabad. The school is a beacon of excellence in education, where tradition meets innovation, a place where dreams take shape, knowledge inspires, and values build strong individuals.
तीन में आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Our mission is to develop all-round personality of students by making them not only excellent professionals but also good individuals with understanding and regard for human value, pride in their heritage and culture, a sense of right and wrong, a yearning for perfection, and a thirst of knowledge. Yajashala of the school serves as a symbol of cultural heritage, a space for spiritual growth, and a venue for promoting environmental awareness. In our classrooms, knowledge is more than just facts and figures. It is a journey. Our dedicated teachers inspire curiosity and foster critical thinking, making each lesson a new adventure. All air-conditioned classrooms are equipped with child-friendly furniture and the latest digital infrastructure. Various labs are installed with well-calibrated modern equipments and excellent research facilities. The labs have safety measures in check, enhanced environment to help students work in groups and individually. Students can explore the subject with guidance from excellent mentors. The language lab is a very helpful tool for practicing and assessing one's speech in any language. It provides a facility that allows the students to listen to model pronunciation, repeat, record, and assess. It amazingly improves the LSRW skills of the students. In computer labs, students learn essential digital skills and explore educational software. We believe in preparing students for the digital age. There are 3 computer labs for primary, senior, and senior secondary classes. In the Atal Tinkering Lab, the children can realize their ideas through hands-on do-it-yourself mode and also acquire innovation skills. They get the chance to comprehend STEM concepts. The lab with 3D printer helps to design 3D objects, geometrical designs, and exciting concepts. Our library is a treasure trove of knowledge, a quiet haven where students can expand their imaginations, explore new worlds, and dive deep into subjects.
It is an honor and privilege for me to be the head girl of our school. Our school is more than just walls and classrooms. It's a place where we learn, grow, and forge lasting friendships. I am proud of the academic rigor, vibrant extracurricular activities, and the unwavering support that we receive from our teachers and staff.
In the dance room, students enhance their skills through various forms of dance. The students practice and perform their creativity through movement, rhythm, and music. In the music room, children learn music from the experts and experience the beauty of melodies. school has 2 music rooms for primary and senior classes. The students also get the training of classical music. Regular yoga and aerobics classes promote physical and mental health, keeping students ahead of the world in all the fields. There is a strong emphasis on sports. There are regular sports periods for all the classes. We have playgrounds for basketball, volleyball, football, cricket, lawn tennis, etc. We also have facilities of indoor games, including table tennis, carom, and chess. Our art room fosters creativity, develops skills, and promotes well-rounded education by providing a space for self-expression, critical thinking, and cultural understanding. The students study a variety of art forms such as 2D, 3D art, and installations by exploring mediums like acrylic, dry pastels, oil pastels, and many more. The counseling cell of the school organizes a variety of counseling sessions for students. Countless career counseling sessions are also organized by the school throughout the year. There are special counseling and training sessions for parents and teachers as well.
This is a comparison. अगर आप MBA करके या BBA करके corporate में जाना चाहते हैं, तो please understand this is your job. आपको कोई उठने भी नहीं देगा टॉयलेट जाने के लिए. You will be sitting in a cabin for 8 hours a day in the private sector. That's the reason मैंने चेयर की जगह टॉयलेट शीट लगाई है इधर. So that you understand that it's a very difficult job in the corporate, in the private sector. When you sit for 7 to 8 hours a day, you don't even get time to visit the washroom. It's very difficult.
सोचिएगा जब घर जाएंगे आप लोग कि हमें ऐसा कोई गलत काम नहीं करना है, क्योंकि एक बच्चा उसके साथ 3 जनरेशन जुड़ी हुई है. अगर मैं एक अच्छी इंसान बनूंगी तो मेरे साथ आने वाली जो 3 जनरेशन है वो भी एक अच्छी जनरेशन होगी जो कि पूरे देश को चलाने में मदद करेगी और हमारे देश भी प्रगति करेगा और हम भी शासन में प्रगति करेंगे.
The school also organizes a lot of programs under skill development to make the students think beyond the grades. The school organizes Mehndi Stole every year on the occasion of Karwa Chauth. Art exhibition cum sale is also organized to showcase the creativity and skills of the students. The students also learn entrepreneurship skills by participating in Diwali fair. The educational tours are also arranged for enhancing learning, promoting engagement, and going beyond traditional classroom settings. The school also has 2 NSS units where volunteers learn the value of community service. The school also has a cabinet of various ministries and clubs that organize various programs to make the students responsible and aware citizens.
I feel immense pleasure in representing a school that has shaped countless young minds and has provided opportunities for growth in academics, extracurriculars and sports. Every achievement, every milestone and every success story of our students make me feel immense proud to call this place a home. There's also a deep sense of gratitude towards our dedicated teachers, supportive school environment and a friendship that has made this journey so special. Their guidance and encouragement has helped me and many others to grow into confident individuals.
Parental involvement fosters a sense of support and encouragement.
वो 54 प्राइज दे चुकी है। वो सिर्फ
54
वो सिर्फ डीएवी की वजह से ही हुआ।
ओके।
एक्चुअली उसके पेरेंट्स भी, उसके फादर बुआ सभी यहीं से पढ़े हुए हैं।
ओके।
हमारी पूरी फैमिली, और ये नहीं कि मेरी बेटी, एक्चुअली सारे ही बच्चे ऑलराउंडर हैं।
अच्छा।
शुरू से यहाँ आए थे और यहीं पे हैं, तो दिस इज द बेस्ट स्कूल, बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम एजुकेशनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बट आल्सो फ्रॉम कल्चरल, स्पोर्ट्स, एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू।
As we reflect on the journey of our school, we can't help but feel an overwhelming sense of pride. Our alumni have soared to remarkable heights, embodying the values and spirit instilled within these walls. From groundbreaking innovations to influential leadership roles, our alumni have left an indelible mark on various fields today. We are proud to have a legacy of more than 5,000 alumni who are serving in medicine, engineering, civil services, RAW, Coast Guards, Indian Navy, Indian Army, Indian Air Force, CA and research. In all the fields, in almost all the countries across the globe. These achievements have made us beam with pride.
Hi, I'm Ishika. I graduated from DAV Centenary Public School in 2017. My school has had a significant impact in my life due to the nurturing culture it propagates and provides to its students. This trait got inculcated into my personality, and I went on to launch 2 social entrepreneurial projects helping the migrants during my undergraduation from Shahid Bhagat Singh College.
Good evening everyone, I am Dr. Rajat Kabra. I am specializing in cancer surgery in Tata Memorial Hospital. That is, I am doing my MCH in Surgical Oncology from the prestigious Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. I appeared in a lot of conferences, I gave a lot of talks, I presented a few publications in the scientific journals worldwide, and I was able to achieve some prizes as well during the quiz as well as the poster presentations. DAV has definitely played a very important role in my achievements. It has taught me the discipline. It has taught me the hard work, the smart work, how to balance the...
I am an ENT surgeon, currently working as assistant professor and consultant at High-Tech Medical College, Bhubaneswar, Orissa. I am thankful to all my teachers of DAV Public School, Fatehabad, who all have been instrumental in shaping my career and showing me the path of progress. The education of DAV Public School has ensured me in developing empathetic and compassionate attitude in me, which has helped quite significant in my profession. I feel very proud to be an alumni of DAV Public School, Fatehabad, and I wish them all the best in shaping the further future of our young generation. Thank you.
Here at SBP DAV Centenary Public School, Fatehabad, we are not just building careers, we are shaping the future. Join us in this journey of excellence.